It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
Hi everyone, JB here from the Oracle Jet PM team. How easy is it for you to take a look at what your application might look like using the new Redwood design system that came out with Jet 9 this week? Let's take a look in this 2-minute tech tip. With the release of Oracle Jet 9 earlier this week, we now have a default theme of Redwood, or the Redwood design system as a whole. Now, if you built a brand new application starting in 9, it would default to Redwood. But if you have an existing application and you want to migrate that, coming to the footer of the new Jet website, you can click on Migration, and it will take you to the migration chapter of the developer's guide. This has two different sections to it. One is simply migrating your application source over to Jet 9, which is a very easy step to do. And then the second one is taking a look at if you want to migrate over to Redwood. That's a little more involved process, but there is a really quick and easy way to at least take a peek at what your application will look like under Redwood and at least know then what kind of work you might have ahead of you in order to make that full move, or if you even want to make that whole move. So in your application, in the Oracle Jet config.json file, there is a default theme, which would actually still be Alta in the case of the application that I migrated, because I originally wrote that with Alta. When I look at this very quickly, this was a app that was from a learning path, and it was all written with Alta. You can see all the different colors and so forth. Once I change this default theme to Redwood, save it, and reserve the application, it now loads up using Redwood. It's the same application, but it uses the Redwood theme now. And you can see really quickly, I got that ghost loading or progressive loading, which is the new default loading for most of the collection item objects. And you'll see the rest of the app kind of works the same. Some new fonts. The avatar is square instead of round. So a few other things that have changed. Buttons are slightly different, but the rest of it's looking pretty in good shape, and at least we know now where to start from.
Was that a good tip?
I think you're quite right.
We want your opinion. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.